Hello everyone, welcome back to the Review Millennial channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make your likes on TikTok private. So your likes on TikTok comprises of all the videos that you've liked before. So on your profile, when you press the little heart button in the middle, you will see all the previous videos that you've liked before. If you want to hide these likes, press the three lines on the top corner, then press privacy. Scroll down where you will find liked videos. Then just change the option from everyone to only me. Now, only you can see the previous videos that you've liked on TikTok. If people visit your profile, they will not be able to find your likes. As you can see now, the heart symbol has a no view symbol on it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to list them down below and I'll happily answer them. Thank you for watching again, and bye!